this was not a run-of-the-mill restoration project. And I'm very earlier I was slightly skeptical to use this word, but now I'm very proud to use this line, that this is possibly one of the most unique projects in the whole of India, not Bengal, in the whole of India, because herein the mandate was not to restore a building, you had to restore all the other intangibles attached. You had to restore the culture of the Sherwalis, you had to restore the community, you had to restore the pride of the family, and hold on to all of these things.